انتم ما تخافون على سلامتكم؟
هذه مسؤولية ولي الأمر.
Now when I'm fucking off gin, I'm invincible. Don't love no hoe, that's my principle. Cause bitches come, bitches go. That's why I get my nut and I be out the fucking door. They might be the one to set me up, wanna get their little brother to wake me up. That's why I tote texts and stuff to get them off my case, just in case the little fucker ends up missing.